Working alongside a team that is passionate about what we do not only makes it manageable, but truly enjoyable. My name is Monique De Beer. I am the Assembly Production Manager at ALTI Unmanned. Our process starts with a complete hollow airframe we receive from our composites department. Next, we collect all necessary stock from the logistics department. When we have all the stock in the airframe, it all goes onto the assembly station. It gets divided then into their specific stations, and the technicians start to complete their build. Our team is dedicated to precision, efficiency, and excellence, ensuring that every aircraft is built to the highest industry standards. While having the correct tools and equipment is important, it's the collaboration, communication, and dedication of the team that ultimately ensures deadlines are met and production goals are achieved. After the build has been completed by the technicians, it will move over to the final assembly station. It will then go through a final QC inspection, software installation, and final checks. Calibrations are also done. The most rewarding part of leading the production department at ALTI is witnessing the hard work and dedication that goes into every build.